Good morning. Right, as you can see, we're out here first thing in the morning. I haven't started yet. I've just pulled up at the car park. Neely's already here. I'll just wait for Les now. We're going to do the mile this morning just to get out. It's Saturday morning. We don't normally come out on a Saturday morning. We normally come out on a Sunday morning, but my girlfriend has decided that she wants me to stay there tonight, so I won't be able to get out tomorrow morning. So we're out Saturday morning. My goal for the day, find a single nugget. That's going to be quite difficult. It's absolutely freezing outside. It's very, very windy. Winter has arrived, I'm afraid. Yeah, we're doing the beach today because we haven't really been down the beach. And as I said, today's Saturday. On Tuesday, Brian, Les and myself are going out to hit Leslie's field. We did my field, as you saw. With some good results, but on Tuesday we're going to go and hit Leslie's field and look for a few little Roman bronzes, because that's what that field is really known for. So right, anyway, let's get at it. Today it's Neil, Les and myself on the mile, so I'll see you on the first hole.
Morning chaps, it's a bit nippy down here, and would you believe, at a third hole with the Sovereign, oh god, a nugget. Come on, come out will you? My word, look at that. That's a good start of the day.
I said my goal was to find a nugget. I've just entered my usual little park area. First signal, 23. Very first signal, I've been here 5 minutes. 23. And look what is in the scoop. A nugget. Very first signal. I cannot believe that.
Morning all. It's windy, it's freezing, we're on the beach, and I found 20p. What am I doing? Right, another 16 signal, and it's just on the surface. Just scrape that away with my foot, and it's another 20p. So doubled my money. Well, I just pulled that one out. What was different it was. A funny signal. It's an old pound, I think. Yeah. Stuff. I haven't seen one of those in a while. And again, just around the corner from that last 20p. It's going to be a day of 20p's. Mind this way, they're better than buttons. Right, we've got another 23 signal. 22, 25. Oh, it's not looking good. It's just about there. Sounds a couple of inches down. Oh, it is. It is a nugget. Yep, first one. And that's right in the middle of Nugget Alley. Oh, a bit of a strange signal this one, but it's a little earring. I don't think it's much, but yeah, something a bit different. Yeah, I think it's a bit of bling, but yeah, an earring. I don't believe this. This has turned out to be a good morning. So another blinking pound in the scoop. Been down there a while. Ooh. I think we're on the right line here. Oh, excuse me, nose, run like a tap. Fingers are frozen. But we'll carry on.
Next coin, nice yellow 20 pence piece. The colour of that. And yeah, it's been literally 3/4 of an hour since I found that nugget. This is my next coin, 20p.
Right, just here, high excitement. Oh god, can't get hold of it. A 5p, but with that as well, there's another nugget. £1.5p. I don't think they're together because that 5p looks really old. Oh, finally, in the scoop, 20p. It's been a while coming since the other lot. Yeah, it's been down there a while. Oh well. Oh, excuse the wind. That is blowing. This is getting a bit light now.
Okay, due to the lack of signals, I've got a 16 signal here. I thought I'd live dig it. There's a definite lack of signals down here. I think I might have been digging slightly in the wrong place. Just maintaining a perfect 16. Right. I've got so many clothes and I can't get my arm out the strap. Oh. Oh, there it is. Oh. So that was 20. Another yellow 20.
Ooh. Well, 10 minutes, 5p in the scoop somewhere. There we are. I think it's 5p. Looks like 5p. That'll do. Well, this sounded like a can or something, like a big bottle cap. They certainly, you've got to dig these. I found it out before, but that's made my day and warmed me up a little bit. £2 coin, double nugget, get in. Yeah, that's getting better. I don't normally come this way. I used to do this bit all the time, but I used to do quite well. But yeah, I might have to do this again along here. Oh, right next to that £2 coin. Yeah, I thought I did see it. Yeah, it's another 20p. And just trod on my detector. Not going to buy me a new one, is it? 20p, but there's also another signal just above that. Just had a 5p as well, but that's a ring pull, that one, I think. Yeah, I'll have a little look around here. There might be a few more. There's signals all over the place. This one, 16 signal. It's funny because that 20p on the field, that was 15 signal. They've gone back up to 16. That is literally laying on the surface, this one. Yeah, still using the V3 update, version 3 that is, on the Equinox 800. Got to stick with it now. I've taken it off so many times, but I'm sticking with it. I've had a few good days with it and I think I'm getting used to the sounds now, so yeah, gonna stick with it.
Well, I mean, this coin, 10p. You can clearly see now how long it's been since I last found the coin, because now it's daylight. It wasn't daylight when I found my last coin. It's very sparse on finds, this beach at the moment. But it's another 10p, and I didn't even get this as a signal. This was just laying on the surface. I don't even think it does give a signal on my machine. I just happen to, it's an eyes only find. But anyway, it's another 10p. Right next to that 10p, a 20p, and this one did give me a signal. So it's possibly part of a small coin spill. Yep, 20p.
Alright, well, this is a jumpy, still jumping from, actually going jumping from 12 to 22, but I can see what it is. It's a nugget. That's right on the water's edge down here. I've just come down here, walking along the shingle on it. So that's a nugget. I think there might be something else there. Oh, there's a 9 signal there. Oh, it looks like a bit of oh, it's a ring pole coming in at 9. Yeah, that was right with that nugget. That's why I was giving the jumpy signal. There you go. Oh, this was coming up as a 12 signal. Looks like a pendant, I think, of some sort. There's chain there. I don't think it's not St Christopher. It's something like that. Just about make it. It looks quite old actually. Well, it's just in bad condition, I suppose. Don't know what it's made of. I'll have a clean up of that later. Probably see what that is.
Well, as luck would have it, I was just on the way to the bin to chuck a can in. I came across this signal and I just dropped it back in the hole. 20p. It's quite fresh.
Yeah, 14, 15 signals laying on the surface. Oh, God. Can't get down that far. Yeah, 50p. Yeah, it's a bit better. Well, that took some finding. This one's it's only a 20p, but it's coming up as a 15 signal, that one. Yeah, very strange. 20p. This is a really short, sharp 22.19 signal, that one, and that is a £1 coin. Giving like slightly different signals for some reason, but yeah, still a £1 coin though. Still spends the same. Right, well, 16 again signal, another 20p. That sun's just come out. It's absolutely lovely, but I'm walking into the wind, so it's freezing. My back's nice and warm, but my front is freezing. It's gonna you probably won't not hear me, but I'm gonna be walking up that way. There's Neil and Darren up there. Go and see if I can find out what they've found. It's turning out to be a nice morning apart from this wind.
I think we'll take that off the beach, don't you? Oh, not that going through your foot.
Next coin, another 20p. This one's clearly been down here a long time. But that's where we wanted to get out to today. We wanted to get out of the foreshore, but unfortunately the tides are wrong. So we're confined to literally dry sand, which is really kind of devoid of too much in the way of coinage. It is another 20p.
And it is 20p. Can't see it now. I think the boys are having a meeting. Tea break.
Next coin, 20p. As Les has just been showing me all these bloody £1 coins, that, and I've just got over £2 now, £2 and 15p. Woohoo! Right, you'll find a bloody double nugget right next to me.
Yeah.
It's the kind of day I'm having. Anyway, it's another 20p.
Oh, first kind of coin for a little while. And this is another 20p. Doing well on the 20p's today. This was quite a faint signal, this one. It's a really crusty old 20p. It's right next to it. That's just there, that 20p, and that was the last 20p there. Yeah, this is right down on the water line, so yeah, crusty 20p. Lovely.
First coin scoop I've had for a long time. That's a 2p. Come out. £10p. Oh, is it old 10p? Oh, the brain's gone. 10p. That'll do.
Oh, that was your car park alarm going off. Got this lovely 16 signal for its size. It's amazing actually how loud that was. It's like a little owl. Looks like it's brass or something. I don't think it's anything else. No, it's got both sides. That's quite cool. Let's put it on the other glove. Be able to see it a bit better. It's sitting around up anyway. But yeah, it's a little owl. Must be a little pendant, kid's pendant, I reckon. Yeah, but it's both sides. How cool is that? Good signal too.
Right, I've got 23 signal. It's not a very convincing one, but it is a 23 signal, so it possibly can. Yeah, it's definitely a 23 signal. Oh, it's out. This could be a nugget, it could even be a double, but it was quite a big signal. Oh, it's a nugget. It's been there a long time. Oh, at last, right at the very beginning and right at the very end. This could be my last signal. Time now is, yes, 8:30, so I've got to start making my way back to the car. So, nugget. Well, the next signal right down here by the water's edge is a little multicoloured love heart. It's a badge. It's got a pin in it. I'm assuming it's a badge. I suppose it could be an earring, but it's, yeah, it could be an earring. I have no idea. But anyway, still love heart.
Oh, I was going to do a live dig on this one, but I got a booty. It was actually in the sea. I was wandering in the surf there. It's gone all down the back of my boot. It was worth it, I suppose. Oh God, it's a nugget. It might be the last one because I'm going to start heading back to the car now. Yeah, just started to enjoy it again. It's warming up as well.
Right, well, I'm back at home now. I haven't got out of the car yet, I just pulled up. It's just started raining, so we got out of there just in time. When all said and done, I don't suppose you can really class it as a bad session. Les especially did quite well. He did about 7 or 8 quid, I think. I struggled. I started off really well with that nugget early on, the very first signal. And Neil started off really well with a couple of nuggets and an old round pound to start off with. And then it died for him, it died for me. I was just getting the occasional 20p, a couple of other bits and bobs, and then right at death I got that nugget, which put me ahead of Neil. I'm sorry, Neil, but it put me ahead of Neil, so at least I didn't finish last. But Les had a very good day. Next session is Saturday morning at the moment, and we are going out on Tuesday. We're back into the fields on Tuesday, so until then, bye bye for now.